Hey guys, welcome to Tips and Tricks with Praiz. So we're still on our pocket series, and today, as you can see, we'll be doing a square pocket. Guys, I know this pocket is very common, like you see it every day, but you'll be very surprised the hidden tricks to which I will be showing today on how to get your square pocket done. So pay close attention. You don't want to blink, right? In this pocket, you can find it basically anywhere. Your corporate shirt, your dresses, anywhere. But guys, just pay close attention because there are a lot of things packed up in this video that you might want to not miss out on. Enjoy! Let's get started. I just want to teach you a quick hack to sewing the square pocket. Now, this is our pocket. Like I told you, the pocket size does not really matter. It depends on the individual. And this is going to be acting like our base, like probably our dress or the breast pocket of our dress, breast axis of our dress. So this is going to be like the base we're going to be using. This is our pocket cut we're going to be using. And the first thing you want to do is consider the front and the back of your pocket. This is the back. This is the back of my pocket. All right. Now the next thing you're going to be doing now is take the back of your pocket like this and flip it. So take like this and flip it over to the front, from the back to the front, right? So you can flip it half inch, 1 inch, whatever, however you want your pocket to be. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is sewing half inch on both sides. Okay. Now our pocket might be a little bit too big, so I'm just going to trim out from our pocket. Flip like this and sew in half inch on both sides with your sewing machine. Before you sew, you might want to iron this to be straight. Excuse my contrasting thread because I really want you to see what I'm doing. That's why I use a contrasting thread on my videos. So if you are watching for the first time, don't panic. Now the next thing I'm going to do is turn over, right? Flip to the positive side like this, but you might want to trim out to avoid some bulkiness. Trim out all these assets to avoid bulkiness. Now I'm just going to go ahead and iron all the sides down. Iron this side, iron this side as well, iron it down like this. Now finish ironing the four corners of our pocket. This is how it looks like at the back. Our pocket is really tiny. I didn't plan for it to be this tiny at all. I brought out my hemming gum because I thought I was going to be needing it. This hemming gum, you can actually use it to stabilize your fabric. Like my fabric was shaky at some point when I was ironing. It was giving me some difficulty. So I can just use my hemming gum to stabilize these edges just to keep it in place. And for neater finishing, so if you want a very crispy pocket, you can just use hemming gum to hold down the sides. But first of all, sew this place down. You know, this part that you folded, the bigger part you folded, just go ahead and sew it down. So the next thing you have to do is just to put your pockets like this and pin to keep in place. Okay, now watch how I'm going to be sewing this pocket. This is a very important part and it's very tricky. So this is the part I want you to pay very close attention to, the finishing of this side. So this is important so that your pocket will not rip off at the corner. So just finish like this. Finish like this. Just a little bit like this. And go on like this. So that little square there just does the magic. So go ahead and do the same on this axis. Oh my gosh, I'm going too wide. Oh. Okay. So while you're doing yours, you have to be really, really, really careful not to make it too wide on that axis. Let me just trim. So guys, this is the final look of our pocket. Cute, isn't it? I know this is not the neatest stitch you will find on the internet. I used to say this all the time on this channel. Please, while you're making yours, make sure yours is way neater than this. Like this place now is just to give your pocket security. This little square here is to give your pocket security, so that no matter how much time you put your hand in your pocket, it never comes off, it never tears off at all. You know, some of the issues we have with pockets that this place just keep coming off, people just keep losing these ends, the stitch just keep coming and coming down, and the pockets just go off one day. So this is just to make it, to avoid those stories, and this your pockets will last a lifetime as long as your fabric lasts. Okay, so make sure yours is neater, yours is way neater. Put more attention to your own stitches, please. And for these two, put attention to this. While I was doing mine, I didn't even know my machine just ran all the way there. It's supposed to be equal. So if you have to measure markers with your fabric marker, biro, pencil, please don't use a biro, don't use a pencil. Your fabric marker works, because when you're ironing, it just disappears. Make sure it's equal. And this is the pocket. This is our money. We're going to put this in the pocket like we always do, to show how stabilized our pocket is after making our pocket. This is it. This is really cute to see how our pocket is standing. Nothing can happen to our pocket. Like from now till 500 years time, check back, our pocket is still standing. And this is the pocket that will carry your money, and to carry your money that will enter a bullion van to enter this pocket. Nothing will happen. Just kidding, guys. And this is the back. This is the back. This is the back, this is the front, this is our pocket. Thank you for watching. If you are just watching for the first time, we are on the pocket series. I've done a couple of pockets, like 3 or 4 pockets already. Just go ahead and watch them, and please try them out. Consistency is key. You know, our goal for this year is consistency. We don't want to sleep on any tutorial on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're yet to, share, leave a comment down in the comment section, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.